In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable offline access for Google Drive. If you ever find yourself without internet, on a flight, commuting, or dealing with a spotty connection, setting up offline access lets you open and edit your Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides right from your computer. Changes you make will automatically sync the next time you're back online, so you can keep working without missing a beat. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive by visiting drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the account where your files live, and give the page a moment to fully load so all the menu options appear. You should see your folders and files, along with a set of controls across the top. Now look to the upper right corner of the Drive page for the gear icon. This is the Settings icon. Click that gear to open a small menu. From that menu, select Settings. This opens the main settings window where you can configure how Drive behaves on your device. Inside the settings window, find the section labeled Offline. It may be located in the main panel. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the settings window until you do. The offline section explains that enabling this feature allows you to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides on this device without an internet connection. To turn it on, check the box to enable offline access. As soon as you do, Drive will begin preparing your files for offline use. This may take a few minutes depending on how many files you have and the speed of your device. It's a good idea to keep your browser open while the initial setup completes. You might also notice a brief prompt or progress indicator letting you know that files are being made available offline. If your device is low on storage, consider freeing up some space so the most important files can download successfully. Once the setup finishes, your recent files will be ready to use even when you're offline. You can open Docs, Sheets, and Slides directly from Drive, make edits as usual, and everything will sync back the next time you connect to the internet. Remember that offline access is enabled per device, so if you use multiple computers, you'll need to turn it on separately on each one. If you don't see the offline option, it may be restricted by an administrator or limited by your browser, and you can check with your organization or try again later. That's it, offline access is now enabled. With this in place, you can stay productive anywhere, knowing your most important files are at your fingertips, even without a connection.